In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Notion. If you've ever found yourself repeatedly adding the same to-do, like a weekly report, a daily workout, or a monthly bill, this quick setup will save you time and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Start by opening the database where you keep your tasks. Up in the top right corner, you'll see the New button. Right next to it is a small caret icon. Click that caret to open the menu and choose New Template. This is where we'll define your recurring task once, so you can generate it instantly with consistent details every time. Inside the template, create the task the way you want it to look whenever it appears. Give it a clear title you'll recognize at a glance. Add any helpful details in the body, checklists, links, or notes, so you don't have to hunt for context later. If your database has properties like date, assignee, priority, or tags, fill those in now. Templates are powerful because they let you pre-fill everything, so every new instance is ready to go. Once your task content looks right, look toward the top of the page for the drop-down that controls recurrence. Click it to set how often you want the task to repeat. Choose the cadence that fits your workflow, every day, every week, or whatever frequency you prefer. If your database uses a date property for scheduling, make sure the recurrence references that date so each new task appears on the right day. Pick a time if you need a reminder to land at a specific hour, and keep it consistent so your routine stays predictable. When you're happy with the settings, click Save to store your template and recurrence. That's it. From now on, whenever you use this template, Notion will create the task with all your preset details and automatically set it to recur on the schedule you selected. If your needs change, you can come back to the template, adjust the wording, properties, or recurrence dropdown, and save again. Future tasks will follow the updated plan. To recap, open the database, use the caret next to New to create a new template, build out your task with the details you need, set the recurrence from the dropdown, and save. With that, your recurring tasks will show up reliably, and you'll spend less time recreating the same items and more time getting them done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your smoother Notion workflow.